Hey Bronwyn, this is Lee here. As promised, this is the second video to go over your kids furniture e-com platform that you have. Once again, just some tips and tricks of how you can increase your online presence so you can attract more potential buyers. I've got your website open here and also a very nice sleek look and feel. The one thing that I would probably point out is I do like the newsletter sign up that you have here. It might be nice to actually entice people to do this as well, so maybe giving them some kind of promotion like a 5% off or free shipping on their first purchase, some kind of coupon. And the reason for that is once you have them signed up for your newsletters, then you can keep on sending marketing information to them, right? So you can send them updated products or promotional items, so you can re-engage those customers on a weekly or monthly basis. So it's a very nice tool to have under your belt if you've got people signing up to your newsletter. So you need to entice them in order to do that. The other thing I want to go over is, of course, around the content. Once again, similar to my previous video, Google recommends at least 1,500 words of content so that they can actually extract the necessary keywords so that they can rank you. So you don't have much keywords at the moment on your website over here. So if you can increase the content in your homepage to 1,500 words or more, then you'll make it easier for Google to rank you. The other thing that I found a little bit interesting is when you click on Shop Now, it actually opens up a different web page with a different URL. So it's almost like it's two different websites. Even got different look and feel. So I'm not sure if this is a sister website of yours or an outsourced partner of yours. So maybe something we can unpack. But same kind of advice going here. I do like the fact that you've got on the landing page here sort of all your products here. You can sort it. So that's great. I think one thing to always keep in mind with the e-com platform is that your descriptions need to have the necessary content and also the right keywords that you're trying to target when people are actually searching for. So typically you want it between 100 and 200 words of content, but also make sure that the right keywords are being targeted in here as well, so Google can pick it up and actually put it in their search engine. Once again, if I take a look at one of your top competitors on Google, it's Kids City. So you'll see what they have here on their landing page. They immediately have featured and latest items. It's a nice approach, maybe that you guys can incorporate as well. Rather than having to click to get to the Shop Now on a different website, once they land on your web page, on your homepage, they immediately see sort of your featured products that you want to sell. They've got the contact numbers and wish lists, etc. on the top here, which is also quite nice. And looking through their content, they've got some nice descriptions as well. They could also probably be expanding sort of the keywords and content they have, but they're doing a pretty good job. But nothing that's not beatable, right? Then I want to go back to the Google search results. So if I put in kids furniture in Cape Town, once again, the first thing coming up is your Google ads. So once again, you pay to have these links on top here in the prime real estate position. So every time someone clicks on one of these links, then of course you pay Google a small amount, but it does bring quick traffic to your website. Something that's very specific to e-commerce is the Google ads, as you can see on the right here. And it's similar to Google ads, but here you actually not feature just the website itself, but you feature specific products. So you can advertise specific products on the Google ads. Also a lot of traffic going to these links. And that people clicking on these are it's buyer intent behind it. So people are actually looking for these products. So it's very nice to get these customers onto your product page immediately so they can actually complete the checkout. Once again, to have them listed here, you do pay Google an amount of money for the advertising. So every time you click on these links, you pay Google a certain amount of money. Then next is you have your Google Map listing. So showing the relevant businesses in the area. These top 3 positions, it's very nice because 30 to 40% of traffic actually clicks on one of these 3 links. So you really want to get into these top 3 positions to get all that traffic to your website. To get onto these top 3, you need to increase your number of citations. Citation is basically just a combination of your company name, your contact number, and your physical address. And you want to get these listed on as many directories as possible, so like Gumtree, Yellow Pages, and that kind of things. And like I said, I normally aim between at least 100 and 200 citations to guarantee my spot in these top 3 positions. The last section around this page is sort of the organic search result. So you'll see this is your top competitor that I referenced earlier. And you really want to get into these top 3 organic search results because 30% of people click on the first link, 15% on the second link, and 10% of people click on the third link, and less than 9% of people actually go past the first page in Google. So you want to be in those first top 3 positions so you can get all that traffic and potential buyers on your e-com website. So how do you get in those top 3? So going to the tool that I use is Ahrefs. Allows us to put it in the website address, like I've got yours inside here. Splits out a bunch of numbers, and you'll see that your UR, your trust index, is sitting at 0, your DR, your strength index, at a 0.1. So you really want to see if you can increase these numbers to make yourself more trustworthy and strong in Google's eyes. Your backlinks and referring domains is what's going to determine your ranking on Google search results. So sitting at 1 each. A backlink is a link from another website to yours, basically a shout out from their website to yours. So and your referring domains is the number of actual websites pointing to your website. So I think this is probably Facebook that's linking to your website at the moment. So you want to get these numbers as high as possible, and also maintaining good quality of backlinks, because not all backlinks are created equal. So the higher these numbers and the better quality these numbers, you'll be placed higher on the Google organic search results. At the moment, you're only being picked up for one organic keyword. So also something you want to make sure that you target on your website is those keywords that people are searching for. And that will, of course, make Google be able to find you and rank you in the search engine. And unfortunately, even though you've got a very nice website and some nice products on there, there's zero organic traffic at the moment. So very little, well, no people are finding you from Google. So that's because of these numbers that are quite low at the moment. So you want to push those numbers up so you can get more organic traffic. If I take a look at Kid City over here, so their trust rating is sitting at a 20, which is not too bad, but still beatable, and their strength index at a 6, so still very, very beatable. They've got 3,000 backlinks that they have from 70 referring domains, so different websites pointing to them. So it seems like a lot, but not really. It's still very, very beatable. They're getting picked up for 362 different keywords in Google, and I'll take a look now quickly what those are, and you'll see, being number 1 and having these numbers up, they're getting 330 people finding them from Google every single month. So a lot of potential buyers coming to their website and purchasing products. Let's take a look at what those type of keywords are that they're being picked up for. You'll see it's like kids dressing tables. There are 600 people a month, every month, to look searching for this in Google, and they're getting about a third of this traffic to their website every single month. So a lot of traffic that could be coming to yours. Kids bedroom furniture, you'll see sitting at 700. Single beds for kids sitting at 1,300. A lot of traffic, a lot of potential here that's going to your competitor and not to yours at the moment. So just to summarize, look at the content of your website. So on your homepage, 1,500 words or more. For your product page, at least 100 to 200 words for your product descriptions, targeting the right keywords so Google can find you and rank you. Google map listing, if you want to be in those top 3 positions, see if you can increase your number of citations to like 100 to 200 in those various directories. And then for the organic search results, you want to be in those top 3 positions, make sure you increase your number of backlinks and referring domains. Once again, I think these are things you can improve immediately, and I really hope you do, so people can find your website and actually start purchasing. That would be fantastic. You don't have to rely on ads the whole time. And then I really do hope that we can have a discussion, and you can reach out to me and see what plan we can take going forward, so I can maybe help you guys get these numbers up. But either way, I really I'd appreciate if you can drop me a line of feedback just to let me know if you found this useful or not, so I can help out other potential businesses in the area. Your feedback will be much appreciated. Have a great day, and hopefully chat to you soon. Cheers.